Welcome to Maisvch. For over 20 years, we have been at the forefront of industrial communication solutions, providing reliable networking products for the industrial automation sector. Hello, I am Sam. I have been working in the industrial communication field for over 15 years. During my career, I have been helping industries optimize their communication network and improve operational efficiency. Today, I will introduce you to some of our key products at Maisvch. The Fieldbus is the foundation of the classical industrial automation communication network. It has high real-time performance and reliable standard protocol compatibility and flexible topology structure, and is widely used in the field of industrial communications. At Maisvch, we have been delivering reliable industrial solutions for device networking. Our range of edge connection devices serves a variety of industrial communication needs. Let's explore our standard products. Maisvch serial networking device is to achieve communication between serial, CANBUS, and industrial Ethernet communications. The serial server named Mport serial achieves protocol conversion between serial ports and high-speed Ethernet, covering multiple options from 1 to 32 serial ports. This serial has various installation methods, such as thin rail, wall-mounted, and rack-mounted, with steady and durable industrial hardware, high EMC protection level, and optical isolation function, which are designed for long-term stable operation in harsh industrial environments. There are also models with Wi-Fi function, providing more convenience for wireless networking of devices. The serial converters is the tailed converter, repeater, and hub products, which are designed for signal conversion and transmission between the serial port devices. The option includes multiple types of RS-232, RS-422, and 485 isolation converters, with up to 8 output channels. There are also series to fiber transmission solutions that support point-to-point, chain-type, and ring-type fiber connections, making it very suitable for reliable data communication in harsh environments. Meanwhile, the CANBUS converter is an industrial CAN signal to serial, fiber, and Ethernet converter, making it ideal for integrating CANBUS networks with modern communication protocols. As one of the earliest products developed and applied by Maisvch since its establishment, millions of serial port conversion and networking devices have been continuously and stably operating in industrial communication fields, such as power, new energy, transportation, smart cities, and automated factories, making contributions to green economy and social development. Discover more about Maisvch's product today. Join us in building the future of industrial communication. Visit our website or contact us for more information.